The U.S. enacted 25% tariffs on $34 billion worth of Chinese goods at midnight on July 6th, local time. Having vowed not to fire the first shot, China immediately responded. It levied countermeasure tariffs at the same level on selected American imports. The U.S. raised tensions higher on July 10th. It said it would slap a 10% tariff on an extra $200 billion worth of Chinese goods. China quickly responded, saying it would take the necessary countermeasures.
美方的行为是典型的
The new U.S. tariffs are typical trade bullying, and China will fight back to safeguard its legitimate rights and interests. This is a fight between unilateralism and multilateralism, a fight between protectionism and free trade, a fight between power and rules.
The U.S. began a two-day public hearing on July 24th to finalize a list of $16 billion worth of Chinese products to hit with a 25% additional tariff. The U.S. continued to intensify its moves on August 1st, saying it would increase a proposed additional duty on $200 billion worth of Chinese goods from 10% to 25%. In turn, China on August 3rd announced a plan to impose additional tariffs on U.S. imports worth $60 billion. That plan covers more than 5,000 U.S. items, with levies ranging from 5 to 25%. On August 7th, Washington said it would begin collecting tariffs of 25% on $16 billion worth of Chinese goods beginning August 23rd. These tariffs target 279 categories. A day later, China announced tit-for-tat additional tariffs on U.S. goods, also set to start on August 23rd, this time covering 333 categories of goods. On August 21st, the U.S. announced a list of tariffs on $200 billion worth of Chinese goods, and they could take effect as early as next month. A 6-day public hearing on this proposal is underway in Washington this week.